Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are officially halfway there. It's the 12th of December now. Where's door number 12? Oh, here it is. And it's got Stephanie's stars on it, which I don't think is a coincidence. It's not a coinky dink, because inside here is going to be, look at that. Yeah, it's something that actually relates to Stephanie. It's in Stephanie's colors, and I think it's a roller skate, like a giant roller skate Christmas tree ornament, which is really cool. Okay, let's zip this open. Always pick the wrong side first. It's just like your toast falling down and always lands butter side down. I always find the wrong side of the Lego bag to rip first. Anyway, I should concentrate on what I'm actually trying to build. So we've got pink down the bottom, we got blue up here, and then a rounded bit for the front. Okay, this is going well. It's only a small build, and surely I can't get this wrong. Yellow on the top, and we've got the little hook bit to actually hang it on the tree. If we want to turn it into an ornament, we can just make it a really cool sneaker. Oh, it's not a sneaker. Of course it's not a sneaker. It's got wheels. It's roller skates. It's roller skates, but if you took them off, it could totally be a sneaker. I want to now think about how to put a little bow on the front. I know I could do that. But at the moment, Stephanie could go on the front, or she could actually sit on it. It'd be the biggest chair, the best roller skate chair ever. That's really cool. All right. Oh, man, though, it's forever already. Okay, too short a build, but we get to do it again tomorrow, so that's okay. Join me tomorrow for Friday the 13th. But it's going to be a good one because it's almost Christmas, which means only good things are allowed to happen. So I will see you tomorrow for the best Friday the 13th ever. And another door on the advent calendar. See you then. Bye.